Hi, Claude Salom Musharada here from Africa Media Australia. First of all, I just want to say thank you very much from the bottom of my heart to all the people out there that have provided us with their feedback, that have responded to our emails. The reaction is overly positive. Really, we really appreciate to know that what we're doing is making a difference in the community. We're really encouraged by the reaction we're getting from the community, and we intend to indeed continue to do what we're doing because we believe that the vision to try to reflect a more positive image of the African Australian communities, of people of African descent, and of the continent of Africa is a vision that ought to be shared by all of us. We really owe it to ourselves, we owe it to our future generations to tell the rest of the Australian society and the rest of the world that indeed this single story of sort of negativity that has been circulated for so many years about Africa ought to be changed. And today the internet provides us with the opportunity to do so, and we should all work together as much as possible towards this very noble objective. And I believe that many of you will provide some assistance as we continue to do this work. So we really appreciate the fact that people not only see value in what we're doing, but they're encouraging us, and we even have some people that are wanting to contribute in one way or another, which is why I am actually coming to you today to tell you that we're now recruiting here at AMA. We're recruiting volunteers to work with us in a variety of areas in journalism, because we want to be able to go out there, look at the stories that are happening, and be able to bring that forward to the community. We need people with skills in presentation. You may not be a journalist, you may not have any skills in the media, but you could well be a presenter. And it's very easy. You don't have to have skills. You don't have to really be qualified. We can work with you. We can train you. And we know that in no time you'll be able to, if you have the passion and the motivation, you'll be able to really make a difference in working with us. One thing also that is important is we received some feedback that we're having some sort of issue in relation to gender balance. I really want to tell everyone that I've really tried hard to try and involve as many female as possible in all the videos that we're doing, and indeed all the work that we're doing here at AMA. But it's not as easy as that. Unfortunately, many of our women in our communities are not always that willing to step up to speak in front of the camera, but we believe there are still wonderful and talented young women out there, young or older. Really, there's room for everyone to be able to work with us and try to assist us as we reflect this more positive image of Africans. On another level, we also want people to share their stories. We know there's there are a lot of stories in our communities of people with so much talent, with so much to share. We do need those stories. So if you have something that you want to share, if you have something that you think deserves to be brought in the open to the community and give some sort of value, please contact us. You may not even have a story. Your whole life could be a story on its own. You know, you could be a professional in any field. There are younger people in our communities that need role models. That's something that needs to be shared. We really urge people to contact us and allow us to, do stories and interviews and a variety of videos to try to show to the rest of the community all the beautiful things that exist in our communities. So I'm calling upon the young people out there, calling upon the mature people out there, not just young people, although we want to put a focus on the youth because we know that there's a lot of talent, there's a lot of energy, there's a lot of passion and motivation in the youth, but we open to work with everyone, young and older. We really need you. We've got a lot of room for a lot of people to work with us to push this vision forward. This is something that ought to be embraced by all of us, members of the African Australian community. We need to work together to bring forward a more positive image of ourselves, of our communities, and this, we owe it to ourselves, we owe it to the future generations, and we've got to do something. It's not enough to agree that the vision is good. We got to move. Everyone has to bring their contribution to what we're doing. So the website is on the screen. Please contact us. We need people with skills in the media. We need people with no skills in the media, but with passion and commitment to work through the media to try to make a difference. And there are a lot of areas. The media can cover everything. Whatever project you are doing, it can be brought forward and be broadcasted for other people to see the value of what you're doing. So we can work with you. We need people with technical skills, multimedia, working with Final Cut, Adobe. We need people with web design and web management to make changes to our website as we move forward and as this project picks up speed. So really, there's a lot of room, and we're calling upon you and the people You may not necessarily yourself have the skills or the interest in working through the media, but you could know someone in your community, in your networks. Please talk to them and get them to contact us. I really appreciate that a lot of people really see the value of what we are doing, and we really urge each and every one to contribute directly or indirectly. So I really want to say thank you to everyone, and keep on visiting our site, www.africamediaaustralia.com, and please put the comments. There are comment boxes there. We want to know what you're thinking. We want to hear from the community so that we'll be able to make sure that we're actually responding to the needs of the community in as far as this project and this vision is concerned. So thank you very much, everyone.